In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your app project using the Hostinger Horizons Web App Builder. This powerful tool will allow you to customize your app and fine-tune its design, functionality, and overall look. So, let's dive right in and explore the step-by-step process. First, you'll want to start by going to the Hostinger homepage. Open your preferred browser and type in the URL to get there. Once you're on the homepage, find the option for the Horizons Web App Builder. It's typically found in your account dashboard, making it easy to locate if you're already logged into your Hostinger account. After launching the Web App Builder, your first port of call will be the Elements section. Click on Elements to access a wide array of resources you can use to enhance your app. This section is filled with various components such as buttons, images, text boxes, and more, which you can simply drag and drop into your project to build out your app's structure and add some visual appeal. Feel free to experiment here, as these elements are the building blocks of your app design. Once you've selected and placed the elements you need, head over to the Pages section by clicking on Pages. This area is critical for organizing your app's layout, as it lets you manage individual pages within your project. Whether your app consists of a single page or multiple ones, this menu helps you keep everything well organized and ensures seamless navigation for your users. Take the time to create and reorder pages as you see fit to achieve the best user experience. Next up, select Styles to truly make your app your own. This is where you can apply consistent themes, colors, and typography across your app, creating a unified and professional look. Customizing styles helps ensure that your app aligns with your brand identity and communicates its tone effectively. Play around with different combinations until you find something that suits your aesthetic preferences and brand guidelines. As you continue refining your project, the AI Tools feature can be of great assistance. Click on AI Tools to leverage the power of artificial intelligence in enhancing your app. These tools can help automate tasks, suggest design improvements, and even provide insights that might not be obvious at first glance. It's a fantastic feature for those looking to optimize their app efficiently. If your app includes a commercial aspect, navigate to the Store option. Click on Store to integrate e-commerce functionalities seamlessly. You'll be able to set up product listings, manage stock, and configure payment options. This ensures your app is ready for business, catering to user purchases with ease. Finally, for any additional features or components, click on More. Here you'll find extra functionalities that can be added to enrich your app. Explore these options to expand your app's capabilities, and don't hesitate to try out new features as they become available. Now you're equipped with the know-how to edit your app project using Hostinger Horizons Web App Builder. Each section we've covered plays a crucial role in the success of your app, from design to functionality, ensuring it meets your vision and the needs of your users. Thanks for watching, and happy building!